Teacher D.
Okay, good morning, grade 4.
Good morning, Sir Vincent. Good morning, classmates. I'm glad to see you.
Okay, so our lesson for today is all about multiplication
Multiplication of whole numbers.
of whole numbers. So any one of you does know now or does memorize the multiplication table?
No.
Teacher, not all, but
Not
I
all.
memorized some of it.
So
Yes.
try.
Some of it.
How about 1? Do you know the multiplication table for 1?
Yes.
Yes,
I know how to
kasi
know.
any number that is multiplied to 1 will
Is
be
the number which is higher than 1.
okay, which will be equal to itself na lang. So how about 2? So any number that is multiplied to 2 would be equal to,
Two.
or that would be doubled, okay?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12,
Yes, that's 2,
Yes.
4, 6, 8, 10.
14,
How
16,
about
18, 20.
skip counting in 3?
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 20, 28,
Okay, that's enough. How about in 4?
4, 8,
4,
12,
8, 12,
16,
16,
20,
20,
24,
24,
28,
28, 32,
Okay, that's enough. Okay,
36,
that's enough. How about
36.
5? 5?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35,
Okay.
40, 45, 50,
Okay,
55,
how about in
60.
6?
No.
Oh no.
Oh no, not yet.
6, 12,
Okay.
12, 18,
Okay.
18, 20.
30.
I'm not good at 6.
Okay. So hopefully, if you are done with this multiplication, you can now multiply or memorize the multiplication table up to 10. Okay. So
No.
hopefully,
Oh, I know
but
up to
then
10.
but then I will be teaching you tricks. So I will be teaching you so that you can answer multiplication easier. So do you want a trick?
Yes.
Teacher, I already know in the hands.
You
It's like
already know that one?
this. It's like
I know
this.
like this.
Like this.
So I will be showing you muna, or I will be teaching you muna a trick.
72.
Okay, so let's try multiplication by 9. So,
No math.
9. 9 times, teacher, 9 times.
wait.
9,
Ayan.
18,
Okay, so let's try multiplication by 9 or skip count by 9. So, I have a 10 fingers, tama?
Yes.
So, ganito siya. You already know the ones and tens, tama? So, ones digit and tens digit, di ba? So, this is only applicable or pwede lang itong gamitin in multiplication of 9. So, this is 1, saan ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
10.
Kapag sinabi kong 9 times 1, 9 times 1, saan ulit ang 1? Di ba ito? So, ilan ang natira?
6, 7,
9.
9. Pero pag 9 times 2,
8.
so this is 2, tama? So, ito yung 2. Tama? Ito yung 2. Therefore,
Yes, wa.
pagkatapos nitong naibaba mong kamay, yung natira din.
Nagtutulungan sa isang komunidad.
Okay, so yung left dito is 1. I mean tens. This is ones. So this is tens, this is ones. So kapag sinabi kong 9 times 2, so binaba ko yung 2. Therefore, this is
Nagtutulungan
tens is 8. Also mean this is ones. Therefore, ang tens natin is 1. Ang ones natin is 8. Therefore, 1 tsaka 8 becomes 18.
Oh.
Nakuha?
Yes.
Okay, how about 9 times 3? Therefore, we have 27. Kapag 9 times 4, we have 30. 1, 2, 3, 36. Diba? Kapag 9 times 5, 45. 9 times 6, 54. 9 times
Wow,
7,
that's cool.
63.
Nagtutulungan sila.
Then, we have 72. Tama? 72. 9 times 9, 9 times 9, 81. Diba? 9 times 10, that's
90.
90. Nakuha?
That's
nine
so
times-
cool.
9 times 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 30.
36.
6. 9 times 9 times 3.
27.
9 times 9 times 8. 72. Diba?
Two.
Kasi we have 7 and 2. That's 72. Okay na? That's for 9. Gets?
That's pa.
Okay.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Okay. So, let's go now to our lesson, which is multiplication of whole numbers. So, when we say whole numbers, wala siyang decimal place. Tama? So, ang whole numbers natin is starting from 1 to 1 and up na siya. Tama? So, let's try to answer this one. Let's try to answer this problem. So, may I ask Kiran to read the question? Read the problem.
During.
During the time
Okay.
Instant Noodles Company donated 320 boxes of noodles to
Evacuation.
evacuation areas with Metro Manila. Each box contains 32 packs. How many packs of noodles were donated in all?
Okay. So, let's answer. So, I will repeat the problem. So, during the Typhoon Luis, an instant noodle company donated 320 boxes of noodles in different evacuation areas within Metro Manila. So, if each box contains 32 packs, how many packs of noodles were donated in all? So, let's try to answer what are the given in the problem, what is asked in the problem, and what operation is involved. So, this is already tackled in your previous years, tama? So, this is the
Yeah.
mathematical.
Sir, are we gonna write that in our worksheets?
No, there's no need. Basta makuha yung sagot doon, okay? So,
Okay po.
so what are the given in the problem?
But are we gonna sasagutan po yung
Yung?
times po doon sa worksheet?
Yes, after na lang. Ayan.
I will write it later.
Okay. So, what are the given in the problem? So, ano yung mga given natin dyan? We have 320 boxes of noodles, tama?
Yes.
And
And 32
32
packs.
packs. So, what is asked in the problem? So, what is asked? How many
How many packs of noodles were donated in all?
of noodles were donated in all? So, what operation is involved?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Kasi nga, Okay, so how do we multiply 320 by 32? So to
Put
first,
the 2 down.
okay, to solve this multiplication sentence, we can write it in this way. So first, multiply 320 with the unit digit 2. So ganito muna tayo, di ba? So, 1, we have step 1 is 2 times pataas, di ba? Di ba? If we have 320, ganyan, times 32, paano yung ano natin dito, rule natin, di ba? Pataas. So this digit, papataas, tama? 2 will be multiplied to the second or to the tens, and ones multiplied to the
know that,
hundreds.
teacher.
Di ba ganito yung gagawin?
We know that, teacher.
Yes.
That's
So,
what.
so ganito yung gagawin. Okay? So 3 times 2 times 0. 2 times 0 is
0.
0. 2 times 2,
4.
that is 4. Kaya nakuha natin itong 4. And 2 times 3, we got 6. Therefore, our answer now is, or the partial product would be 640. Tama?
Teacher, how about the
Yes.
3 and
Pero meron pa tayong
the
3. Meron pa tayong 3, tama? Then,
I know
after
this,
multiplying
teacher.
that, yes, I know you already know it kasi teacher Justin is a good teacher in math.
Yes, she is.
Okay.
That's true.
So, the partial product for multiplying 2 is 640. And then after that, multiply 320 with the tens digit, which is 3. Therefore, 3 times 0, 3 times 0, that is 0. So, saan mo siya ilalagay? Sa pangalawa. Tama? Tapat na niya. And 3 times 2, we got 6. 3 times 3, we got 9. Therefore, katapos mo siyang i-multiply lahat, you need to add. Tama? So lastly, add vertically the product or the partial product by columns.
Bring down.
I
Okay,
kinda
so
don't
bring down
understand.
0 plus 0.
Hello.
May another example tayo. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. Tama?
Yes.
6 plus 6 is equal to 12.
Well,
So, carry 1 sa kabila, tama? Kaya naging 1 plus 9 is 10. The final answer is 10,240. So, there are 10,240 packs, tama, of noodles are given to the evacuation areas or to the different evacuation areas, tama?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have here another example. So there were 525 boxes of canned goods donated in Rizal province. So each box contains 24. Ilang canned goods daw ang meron sa isang box? We have
24.
24. So how many canned goods were donated in Rizal? So what is asked? The canned goods donated in Rizal.
Rizal.
What are given? What are the givens? We have
525 boxes of canned
canned
goods.
goods and
Each and 24
canned
and
goods.
Canned goods.
Okay. So, let's try to multiply it. So, we have 500. Oops, maliwanag doon na. Yan. So, we have 525 times 45. Tama? Is that it?
Yes.
Let's check. Okay, that's 24 pala, sorry. Tama ba? Okay, so there are 525 times 24. Therefore, multiply muna natin si ones digit. Okay? So, 4 times 5.
Um,
20.
20. 20.
4 times 2?
4 times 2,
8.
8.
8. 8.
8 plus 2?
8 plus 2,
10.
10.
10. So 0 carry 1. Tama?
Yes.
So 4 times 5?
4
20.
times 5,
20 plus 1?
20.
21.
That
21.
is 21. So the partial product is 2,100. How about in tens digit? So 2 times 5? So 2 times 5?
Um,
10. 10.
10.
10.
10.
So saan natin siya isusulat? Sa tapat na ng pangalawang digit. Tama?
Yes.
Okay, are you still with me?
yes.
Yes.
Okay. So 2 times 5 is 10. So we write 0 and then carry 1. So 2 times 2 naman tayo. We have
4.
4 plus
4.
1.
5.
That is
5.
5. So 2 times 5, that is 10.
10.
Therefore, after getting the partial products, we need to add.
Bring down 0.
Okay. So therefore, the answer is bring down 0.
0.
0 plus 0 is
0.
0. 1 plus 5.
6.
2 times 0. 2 plus 0 is
2.
and
2.
bring down
1.
1. Then,
1.
therefore, the answer is 12,600.
600.
Okay? So, any more question in multiplication?
No.
Teacher, are we gonna have other examples? We're gonna do one by one.
This afternoon, siguro. Let's try this.
Okay.
Ay, may bakit.
Okay, so the answer there is 12,600.
600.
Thus, the product of 525 and 24 is 12,600. So, there were 12,600 canned goods donated in Rizal. Okay? Oh, so how many are you?
We are 9 in general.
Okay, so you're 7. And so maybe later na lang. Okay,
It's
so
Chloe is not here.
yeah.
Chloe.
So estimating the product of whole number. So this is just an easy what do you call this? Easy lesson, okay? So when we are estimating the product of a whole numbers, you just need to have oh. Sige, wiki Isabella. Okay, so you just need to have the rounding off. So rounding off. So for example is this. So a local government in Bulacan launched a livelihood program to help their constituents. If there were 105, so there are 175 buses. So 175 buses that brought the participants from the different barangays. And each bus has 52 participants. So how many participants attended in the launching of the program? So let's try to have the estimation. So this is done by estimation. So simply do this. Okay? So in estimation, ang gagawin lang natin is to round off these numbers para mas madali mo lang siyang multiply. For example, we have 175. Para natin siya round off sa may pinaka-highest number niya. So, ano pinaka-highest number nito? 175?
7.
So, ones, tens, hundreds. So, ano pinakamataas? That's hundreds. Tama? Therefore, ano yung katabi ni hundreds? We have 7. Therefore, are we going to round up or down?
Down, up.
Ha? We're going to round up. Kaya magiging
Round up. 100.
100. How about this one? 52. Ones, tens. So, ano pinakamataas natin? Tens. Therefore, are we going to ano yung katabi ni tens? Are we going to round up or down?
Round down.
Round down, or it will be the same. Therefore, magiging 50 lang siya. Tama?
Yes.
So, can you now multiply it?
Yes.
So, cancel the zeros. Therefore, input 3 zeros. Tama? And multiply the whole numbers, which is 5 and 2. Therefore, that's this.
25. 10,000.
That's it.
1,000.
Basic?
Yes.
Okay. So, let's write up another example on your modules. Let's see.
I will get a module.
Oh.
So we still have 2 minutes. Okay, so let's try to estimate. Let's try to estimate it. Ayan, so,
Are you gonna come back?
no. So later on, mamaya, ano ka naman. Meron pa tayong 2 minutes. 2 minutes is too long pa. So we have 483 times 30. So let's try to estimate the product of this. So we have 483 and 33. So, ones, tens, hundreds. So, saan tayo mag-round off? 100.
4.
So, 4. Therefore, are we going to round up or down?
Round up. Round up.
Round up.
500. 500.
How about this one?
Down.
Round down. Round down.
Okay, magiging
30.
30. Okay, so cancel our zeros. Write it down.
3
Tama?
zeros.
5 times 3.
15.
Less than 1 minute.
15,000.
Nakuha?
Yes.
That is 15,000.
Are we gonna do one by one later, sir? In the
Let's see. Okay, so
We're going to do this.
so what's that? No. There's no need to answer the. You can answer the module. You can answer the module. Yes. So that is just a practice. Practice lang yan. So later on, we're going to have more examples and additional lessons.
Do we need to do this?
In your worksheets? I mean in your modules?
Yes, in the modules.
No. There's no need. But if you want to answer it, huh? Vince?